If you're looking for a way to explain the impact of a domain name to your brand, I've already done it. I've already laid it out, 7 dimensions. It's in my book, domainnamebrokersecrets.com. Check it out. You can buy it on Amazon. Leave me a review if you do. But the 7 dimensions, that's it. I think I was going to add an 8th dimension, and that is trust. But the 7 dimensions are global positioning, how you are positioned to the global, all the other brands that call themselves your same keyword, industry positioning, how you're positioned to the other players in your industry. Like, do you look like you are elite? Do you look like a top contender? Or does your domain name make you look like just like you're completely not even in the industry, okay? Or a perpetual startup. Then from there, you go to branding, you go to marketing, you go to scaling, you go to email security. 7 dimensions is like that. This is it. Like anytime I have a conversation with a company looking to buy a domain name, and even sell a domain name really, because it impacts like who's the buyer for this. The 7 dimensions is what I come back to. Now, all these lead to trust. This is my thesis that your domain equals your brand equity. And it's all encapsulated in this same matrix, right? These same frames. But listen, if you're a domain investor and you haven't downloaded my book, I mean, probably go do it, okay? Do it. I was debating whether to even write the book because I didn't want to give away all my secrets. But I think it's good because I use this as an educational tool for buyers when they come in. They can download my book. I can forward it to them. Where, if you're a end user looking for a domain name, or if you're a VP of marketing or you're a startup looking for a domain name, which one of these dimensions is impacting you? Now, I'll just do one last quick 30 seconds here, is that email security is a good one. And what I tell companies when I'm talking to them, when I tell like the founders of the startup or the marketing executives, I say, listen, one way to see is like go to your email and type in the raw version of your brand with a quote, right? Quote, let's say it's one of the domains are brokering, .com, end quote, and see how many emails you have in your inbox that were sent to the wrong company. Now I said, no, listen, I get it. Like there's trademarks, but this is it's like the canary, right? The coal mine, right? It's like basically showing you, hey, there's a problem. Now this problem gets extended out when you go to market, okay, with your customers. So it's gonna be different for each company, but it shows you there's a problem, that there's confusion, and that confusion is leading to people contacting a different company. More stories to come. Share this up if you found value in it. Reach out to me if you need help buying or selling a domain name.